a single rose left to remember, as a single tear falls from her eye. Another cold day in December, a year from the day she said goodbye. It seems it's only been a moment since the angels took him from her arms, and she was left there holding on to their tomorrow. But as they laid him in the ground, her heart would sing without a sound. For the first time you can open your eyes and see the world without your sorrow, and no one knows the pain you left behind, and all the peace you can never find. It's waiting there to hold and keep you. Welcome to the first day of your life. Just open up your eyes. Your eyes as I lay down tonight. Safe on the other side. No more tears to cry. For the first time you can open your eyes and see the world without your sorrow, and no one knows the pain you left behind. All the peace you can never find is waiting there to hold and keep you. Welcome to the first day of your life. Just open up your eyes.
Time of death, 10:41